Hello there! Let's talk about something amazing, our immune system. It's like having a team of tiny ninjas inside us, always on alert to fight off nasty invaders. We can't see them, but they work tirelessly to keep us healthy. Without our immune system, we'd be vulnerable to every germ and virus out there. This incredible system is our very own internal defense force, constantly patrolling and protecting us from a world teeming with potential threats. These threats, known as pathogens, come in various forms, from microscopic bacteria and viruses to larger parasites. Our immune system is incredibly complex, made up of different cells and processes that work together. Our immune system has evolved over millions of years to become incredibly sophisticated. It's capable of recognizing and remembering past invaders, allowing for a faster and more efficient response upon subsequent encounters. This remarkable ability is the basis for vaccines, one of the greatest triumphs in the history of medicine. Our immune system is made up of two main parts, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. The innate immune system is our first line of defense. It's like having guards at the gate, always ready to repel invaders. These guards include physical barriers like our skin and mucous membranes, which trap pathogens. Then we have the adaptive immune system. This system is more specialized, like having elite soldiers trained to target specific enemies. It learns to recognize specific pathogens and mounts a targeted attack. It remembers these pathogens for next time, so they are less likely to make us ill. Key players in our immune system are white blood cells. These remarkable cells are constantly on the move, patrolling our bloodstream and tissues for signs of trouble. Some white blood cells, like neutrophils, are quick to respond, engulfing and destroying invading pathogens. Others, like lymphocytes, are responsible for recognizing and remembering specific pathogens. Imagine you get a cut on your finger. That cut is a potential entry point for pathogens. Immediately, your innate immune system jumps into action. Blood vessels at the injury site constrict to minimize bleeding. Platelets, tiny cells in your blood, gather at the cut to form a clot, plugging the breach in your skin. Next, inflammation kicks in. The area around the cut might become red, swollen, and tender. This is a sign that your immune system is hard at work. White blood cells, like neutrophils, flood the area, engulfing and destroying any bacteria that may have entered through the cut. If the infection is more serious, your adaptive immune system steps in. Specialized cells called T cells and B cells work together to target and destroy the specific pathogen causing the infection. B cells produce antibodies, which are like tiny homing missiles that latch onto specific pathogens, marking them for destruction. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to protect ourselves from infectious diseases. They work by mimicking a natural infection but without causing the actual illness. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive parts of a pathogen. When introduced into our body, our immune system treats them as real threats. This exposure triggers an immune response, just like a real infection would. Our B cells produce antibodies and our T cells learn to recognize the specific pathogen. The beauty of vaccines is that they provide this immunological memory without the risk of actual illness. Thanks to vaccines, we've witnessed the eradication of smallpox and the near eradication of polio. Vaccines have saved countless lives and continue to protect us from a range of serious diseases. From measles to mumps to rubella, vaccines have transformed public health and drastically reduced the burden of infectious diseases. Our immune system is a complex and powerful defense system. Just like any other system in our body, it needs proper care and attention to function optimally. Fortunately, there are many things we can do to support our immune health and keep our defenses strong. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients that support immune function. Regular exercise has been shown to boost circulation, helping immune cells move efficiently throughout the body. Adequate sleep is crucial for immune system regeneration. Chronic stress, on the other hand, can suppress immune function, making us more susceptible to infections. Managing stress through techniques like mindfulness, deep breathing, and yoga can help keep our immune system balanced and resilient. Immunology is a rapidly evolving field, with scientists constantly making groundbreaking discoveries. Researchers are developing new and innovative ways to harness the power of the immune system to fight diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorders. Immunotherapy, for example, is revolutionizing cancer treatment. This approach uses the body's own immune system to attack cancer cells. CAR T-cell therapy is a promising type of immunotherapy that involves genetically modifying a patient's own T-cells to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Another exciting area of research is in the development of personalized vaccines, tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. These vaccines hold the potential for even more targeted and effective disease prevention in the future.